apostleship. But now the other apostles had a problem with Paul, because when you look at the word apostle, one of the definitions is one who has witnessed the resurrection of Jesus Christ. But because Paul was not on the scene when Christ got up, the other apostles began to question his qualifications. Does that sound like church people? I know I have not been saved as long as you've been saved. I know I don't know all the Hebrew, the Greek, and how to exegete the text